everyone, today I am going to tell you 15 plus reasons India is like another planet. Let's begin the video. Hey, do you have any plans for your next vacation? How about seeing India? Hold on now, just because now might feel like a world away, both figuratively and literally, does not mean it is not a tourist friendly country. And more importantly, a trip to India won't cost you that much as you think. First, you don't think I talk about India and does not mention the majestic Taj Mahal.
Landmark
Did
has
you
been one of the
do the seven wonders of the world? Quite some time. Seeing architecture marvel person makes it clear why. The construction was commissioned 1632 and it is believed it took 21 years to complete the entire process. I know you have heard about this monument, but do you know it is a mausoleum? The imprint of the time, Shah Jahan, this marble structure built the tomb of his wife, Mus Mahal. Kind of styles you never got to see this be just build a herd. Since we are on the topic, here's a fun fact. There was an infamous Indian con man repeatedly sold landmark in the country, including the Taj Mahal and Parliament House of the India. He was arrested many as 9 times, but somehow managed to escape multiple times. During his final escape, he was already 83 years old. Right from the fact he was breaking the law. You gotta admit that's kind of impressive. Tourists hope to avoid the crowds in major tourist attractions like the Taj Mahal and take the road less travel. A long time hard to combine with around 51 births every minute, 23,000 births per day. This country has the largest growing population in the world, roughly half of India's population under the age of 25, also making it the world's youngest populations, holds more people than the entire Western Hemisphere. So many people comes colorful strategies of celebrations, legends and languages. That brings me to my next point. There are about 780 languages spoken in India, but some sources put it in the thousands. Whatever the case, only 22 languages recognized as official languages. English is in the mix too. India has the largest English speaking peoples in the world, second only to the US. This means you can enjoy this super diverse country without a translator app. Time you want to stop for a lunch or buy a souvenir, your smartphone is obviously your closest traveling companion, because let's face it, taking pictures is probably the easiest. Document your investments of your abroad. You will be happy to know self-service and mobile data is very cheap in India. There is one more reason why your wallet nearly as much as you think. You can share every experience and discover with your friends back home with breaking your budget alone should put this fascinating country bucket list place to visit. For another reason, India, moths flying out your wallet. The food there is so cheap. Check it out. If you go to order a whole meal of chicken and even fish, your bill little as $1. As for a cup of tea, it will cost you 20 cents. Imagine if you could fill your belly under $5. Given that you will be so much and down, you can dedicate limited budget once in a lifetime experience in abundance. One of these is the food itself. You didn't heard of land of spices. India produces about the 70% of the world's supply. It's authentic local meal adventure itself. Hopefully your stomach will be strong, rich, variety of flavors. For those of you who have sensitive taste, here's a pro tip. Take small to test the intensity of the spice. before biting off more than you can handle. I also have good news for traveling vegetarians. Available needs for your diet need. India is also well known to be a friendly vegetarian country. This is partially thanks to relationship beliefs. It's mostly personal choice there. Had to respect for living beings. As the state of the state Norway 2006, 1% of the Indians is vegetarian and another 9% do eat eggs but no forms of meat. So enjoying local cuisine only for mid-years. Like I said before, this is a diverse country with enough variety to suit anybody. Do you think I forgot about you sports lovers? Do you know like sports as experiencing new culture? Watching a live cricket match will be enjoy both. Cricket is the most popular game in the country, just like soccer in Europe or football in the US. So why not get your hands to a ticket to a local game? Pack a picnic basket and spend the day outdoors among locals to get a taste true Indian sport cultures. The Ganti River gives another outdoor activity lovers while still keeping the focus on experiencing the culture. The Ganges is the longest river in India was a hub of activity in this country. Dolphin watching, as the Gandhi dolphin is unique in this river. Unfortunately, their numbers has drastically decreasing due to increasing pollution. Let's hope environmentalists hope to find a way to protect these creatures to future generations to enjoy and visiting India. You can't talk about India and mentioning the many massive ceremonies that take place there. One of the most popular is the Kumbh Mela. It is so big, it is visible from space.
Mass pilgrimage of those of Hindu faith
Lived in the Ganges, the host of Abadaba. Welcome to 120 staggering visitors 2013 and a whopping 30 million on a single day. If you are not into crowds, you still buck up and witness incredible event. At least you will be able to say he was at the largest world gathering of people. Bragging rights. Kumbh is one of many celebrated in India culture, but brightest has to be the color festival Holi. It celebrates love, start of spring, end of winter, triumph of God over evil. A very delightful way. People take color powder to strange each other. Water and color powder. Everyone celebrates together with a spectacular play of good humor and of course lots of colors. But I am not usually for crowds. But this just sounds too good to miss. As a matter of fact, color play a very important role in Indian culture. It's apparent for the traditional clothes, festivals, blowing, cuisine, and the currency. The handful of rupees, you will quickly see their bright colors and variations inside. Even if notes designers didn't do it on purpose, they seem to symbolically celebrate the diversity. Indian bills also have braille marking. Blind people can read their values. Another fun fact of the topic of Indian money. It's illegal to take foreigners in or out of India. Sorry for the news to going to like coin collectors who like to different types of money as a souvenir of your travels. Yeah, not just a fun fact. The one you have to take avoid of with local authorities. There is no limit on the amount foreign currency. You or foreign currency. Over 5,000 US dollars in cash. But then again, this carries cash on them anyway. Now, Queen fans, just tip it. See if you are. Did you know that Freddie Mercury was of Indian descent? His birth name was Firakal Basara. Both of his parents were from Bombay. If he himself is bought in Tanzania. But still, from beautiful music to beautiful people, India is the highest winners of the missed competition of a total 6. Only Venezuela has produced same amount of title holders since the beauty pageant start. The recent Indian Miss World, Nushi Chiller 2017, to in a dish into a delight, delicious food and fun festival. You will also be in the presence of people whose beauty is recognized worldwide. You get tired of the hustle and bustle, and you can also take a day and kick back with some old school board games. Familiar with Chutes and Ladders? Well, this popular classic takes back to 18 Agent in India's times, and it was known as Mark Tapachan. It made its way to England, where all the snakes and ladders. The name changed we know today. Today, when it first was introduced to the US, the idea of the game to teach the kids about good virtues and bad virtues, represented by the ladders. Separately. Thanks for the good childhood memory. Yeah?
Let me know down in the comments.
So, would you like to go to India? Let me know in the comment. This is your video send. Please drop a like and subscribe to my channel.